be fair.
The jump that he did, that's a shotgun.
You could do it, innit?
Yeah.
Do the running and I'll shoot you.
If you could do better than him, then he's gone.
Yeah.
Go.
Sure, I'll shoot you in the leg.
Yeah, shoot in the leg. But why was he jumping? Why was he jumping? That's what I said. You wouldn't jump from a shot to the leg.
Watching live cinema.
Don't do it, man. Don't do it.
Just jump. Boom. I like that.
Wait. Stay there. Don't move. Don't. Hey, sit down, man. What are you doing?
Oh, wow. I ain't got anything.
All right, cut.
Hey.
That was pretty good.